I don't know if this is interesting to any of y'all, but I am so excited. I thought that this was my order from Sigma that I placed because I actually just put in a very large order over at Sigma because they were having a sale. They might still be having a sale. If you want to shop for stuff, you can use code Shelly for an extra 10% off. No, it's not what it was. It's this. Oh my gosh, I have to show you this. Hold on one second. Let me show you. I did not know that I was getting this. This is the coolest package ever. I was so excited when I saw that they're going to be launching this. This is their brand new complexion product. They're finally getting into like liquid foundations and tinted moisturizers. So that's what this is. They sent me 2 shades. How cool. And honestly, that's so nice because they actually have to like look at me and know what my skin tone is and then make a guess. And like they had to put time and attention into that. Also, I was just in a live video yesterday or a video talking about how this one was maybe too light and they sent me a darker one. So this is perfect. This is their color correcting duo. So good. And I'm so excited for this. It's their baking powder. It's like their soft focus powder. I had gotten one of these, but it was too dark color. So I gave it to one of the other girls on the trip that we were on. And so I'm so excited to have this. So Sigma, thank you so much for this package. I'm so excited to try out everything. And if you're interested in the complexion product here, which is going to be like this tinted guy here in this like nice soft thing, it's the Skin Perfector Hydrating Tint and it will be available August 6th. And can we talk about diversity and inclusion? I love that. Anyways, yeah, thank you to Sigma. Thank you for this. It's very rare that I get PR, so it's not going to become like a common thing, but there is one more package that I just got. I got this through a gifting opportunity through ShopMy, and ShopMy I was introduced to at the very first Creators and Friends trip through Khaki from Khaki Reviews, and I can put a link here on screen. I think I can refer people, so if that's something you want to do, it's kind of like a reward style ShopMy magic link type of thing, and I've really been loving it. So if you are interested in that, totally you can sign up too. I got a conversation started with Sunday Riley, and they asked if I wanted to pick out a few items and have them sent, and I was like, oh my gosh, yes. I love their Good Jeans. I love that one so much. So I picked out Good Jeans and then a few other items, and I want to show you. So here's this little sample guy with some of these little guys. So little packets of samples of stuff. That's awesome. And then, oh cute, look at this. Oh, okay, it's like in a fun Ziploc-y. And let's get this guy open. Okay, so the very first thing I picked was the Good Jeans, and I wanted this one because I love the tingle that this one has. Sorry, it's all like, I gotta open it later. It's a lactic acid one, and so a lot of people like this, or the glycolic. I know a lot of people like others. I love the Good Jeans. I like the tingle that it gives. It's a good one. The next one is this pink drink. So there's that. I'm super excited for this one. It's the Firming Resurfacing Essence. So when I heard pink drink, I kind of thought of the Starbucks drink. I don't know why. Okay, and this is the CEO 15% vitamin C brightening serum. I wanted to try their vitamin C product, so I selected this one as well. So so cool. So thank you so much to Sunday Riley. I am excited. This is a restock and these are new to me. So thank you so much.